So second example we are going to see for the KNN algorithm. The second example is we are going to find which category of games they are belongs to. So the name, age, okay, here we have, I have given some sums. I have given some name, age, gender, and sport. This is the sum I have taken. The data sets I given the Ajay, Mark, Sara, Zira, Sachin, Rahul, Pooja, Smith, Lakshmi, and Michael. So the total numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. On the age are already we have given. For the Angelina we are going to find they are belongs to which classes. Angelina they have given the name is Angelina and the age is 50 and the gender was she is the female, and which the class of the sport she is belongs to we are going to find. Step 1 we are going to find the K factors. For the K factors, we are going to calculate the data sets values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we get even numbers, we will take either add 1 or reduce the 1 value. For the 10, we will plus 1 value will be 9, or 10 minus 1 the value will be the 9. So the root of 9 will be the value will be the 3. Okay, the K factors will be the 3. So from these classes we will get the three sports. From that the majority we will going to segregate which belongs to the Angelina. And this is the step 1. And step 2. Step 2 is nothing but we are going to find distance. For distance we are using the Euclidean distance formula. Euclidean distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we will give already given data is considered as x1. This is y1 for the paper conveyed value what is for male, we will assign the value as 0. For female, we assign the value as 1. For Angelina, we are going to find. For female, we assign the value as 1. And the male, we assign the value as 0. For Angelina, we are going to find, so that the value will be the 50 is considered as our 50, and female, the value will be the 1. This is considered as our y1 and y2. அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன், எனக்கே தெரியல சம் கரெக்டாக தப்பானு. சரி போடும். So the first for Ajay, the x1 y1 x1 y1 இதுதான் எடுக்கணும். x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so x2 is nothing but Angelina age 32 whole square plus y2, she is female, so that we are taking the value as 1. For Ajay, his male, the value as 0, the whole square. So for second, we are going to calculate the age for Mark. The Mark age for the Mark is 40. 40 minus 50 whole square plus for male, I am given as 0 minus 1, female 1 and 0 whole square. Okay, for Ajay, I have choose as the A classes. The formula is 50 minus 32 whole square plus female, we are taken as the value as 1 minus 0 whole square. The value will be the for answer is 27.02. For the class B is nothing but the Mark. The age is 40. This is considered as our x2, no? So 50 minus 40 whole squared plus 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 whole squared is equal to, the value will be the 35.01. For the class Sarah, the age will be the 16. So 50 minus 16 whole squared plus the value is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 whole squared, the value will be the 11. For the class D is nothing but Zaira. Zaira, the age is 34. So 50 minus 34 whole square plus the female value is 1 and Zaira is also female. 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to, the value will be the 29. And next one is for Sachin. We are going to find Sachin. The age was 55. So 50 minus 55 whole square plus female minus, so 1 minus 0 whole square, the value will be the 50.01. So next we are going to find for the Rahul. For Rahul, the age was 40. So our x2 value is 50 minus 40, x1 is 40 whole square plus female minus male. So 1 minus 0 whole square, the value will be the 35.01. So next we are going to calculate our value for the Pooja. The Pooja age is 20. So our x2 value is 50 minus 20 whole squared plus 1 minus 1 whole squared. The value will be the 15. If next we are going to calculate for Smith. For Smith, the age will be the 15 and 1 minus 0. The value will be the 10.05. So next we are going to find the value for Lakshmi. The age will be the 55. 50 minus 55 whole squared plus 1 minus 1 whole squared. The value will be the 50.00. So next we are going to find for the Michael. The Michael age will be the 50. For the x2 value is 50 minus 15 whole squared plus 1 minus 0. For the male we are given the value, assume the value as 0. So here after that the square root, the value will be the 10.5. 10.5. So we have calculated all the values with the help of the Euclid distance. Here I have taken the x2 value is nothing but for Angelina we are going to find. For the Angelina value is the age is 50 and she is denoted as female. The female value was we are assumed 1 and the age was 50. So this is consisted of a x2 and y2 value. So the already given values are we have taken as x1 and x2. By using the Euclid distance formula, we are going to write first our x2 value, what we are going to find. That is for Angelina age and which category she was. So the age will be the 50. For all classes, I have taken the first value is nothing but our Angelina age, and she belongs to the female category. So that I have taken all as 1. So the second value is nothing but the different participate in the sports category. Ajay, for Ajay the age was given as 32. So here I have taken as 32 and his gender was male. So that I have taken as y2 as 0. And for the mark I am taking as this is our Angelina age and the mark age is 42, the whole square plus the belongs to the male. So this is our Angelina gender and this is our given the class gender. So that I have chosen. So for Sarah I have chosen his age is 16 and she is Sarah is belong to the female. So that the Angelina is also female and Sarah is also female. So that here we have taken the 1 minus 1 the whole squared. So the value will be the 11. And next one is Zaira. Zaira is 34 and she is also female. The age of Angelina and Zaira. Angelina is 50 and the 34 is Zaira ages and the both are belongs to the female. So that I have taken as 1 minus 1. So after that square root, the value will be the 29.0. So next we are going to calculate for the Sachin. So Sachin the age was 54 and the Angelina age is 50. So that I have written as 50 minus 52 and Sachin belongs to the gender male. So that the already we have assumed the value of for the male is 0 and this is the Angelina. Angelina is female, so that I have taken as 1. So after the calculation of this and square root, we will get the 50.01. So next for the Rahul. Rahul also is male. So his age is 40. So that I have taken 50 minus 40 whole squared plus 1 minus 0. So he is a male. So that I have taken the value as 0. Angelina is a female. So that I have taken the value as 1. After all the calculations, we got the value as 35.0. Next for next data sets is Pooja. For her the age is 20 and she belongs to the gender female. So that I have taken that Angelina and Pooja values. Age is for Angelina is 50 and for Pooja is 20. So whole square plus here we take that y2 minus y1. So the both are in female gender. So that I have taken 1 minus 1 whole square. So after all the calculations we have received the value as 50. So next for the Smith we have taken, the Smith is denoted as male. So that we have taken the age, his age is 15. 50 minus 15 whole square plus 1 minus 0 the whole square. So overall we got the value as 10. So next Lakshmi. So Lakshmi, for the Lakshmi the age is 55. The Angelina value is 50 minus 55 whole square plus the both are under the female category. So that I have taken as 1 minus 1 whole square. Overall the value we have got is 50. So next for the Michael. Michael is already we all know Michael is belongs to the male category. So the male the value will be the 0. So Angelina and the Michael age will be the 15 minus 15 whole square plus 1 minus 0. The overall value or I had it. This is our step 2. Our step 3 is we are going to take the minimum value from this. The 11 is minimum. Okay, 11 is minimum and 15 is minimum. 10. 10, 10.05, 10.15, 15 is not the minimum. So before that we got the value of 10. Oh, 10.05 also, okay, 10.50, after that 11. 11. We have the 3 minimum values. The 3 minimum values which are 11, 10.05, 10.50. Okay, so we are going to see which members are having this one. So the 11 is nothing but C, Sarah. Sarah is belongs to the sports is cricket. So next the value for H and J and Michael is belongs to the football. Next one is Pooja. Smith is belongs to the cricket. So the final value we got the sports is cricket. Cricket for cricket for Sarah. Sarah is cricket. Sarah is cricket and Smith is under the cricket category and Michael is under the football categories. Sarah, Michael and Zara. Oh, she is belongs to the cricket and Michael is belongs to the football and Zaira is belongs to the cricket. This is our step 3 and step 3 and step 4. Step 4 is we are going to predict our category. Predict our category. The classes we have select this is one is cricket, other one is football. The majority from the third step we got is cricket. So that the Angelina is belongs to category of sports cricket. Almost we saw already the two example for the KNN. In the first problem we have saw that category of the colors, which colors they are belongs to. We have chosen the different colors, red, blue, green. From that we have taken the majority value of the data sets. From in the that sum, first we follow the four steps. The first steps we are going to find the k factors. If we have taken the add numbers, add number is of the problem of the counting the data sets is used to avoid the confusions of the classes. Second step is we have find that Euclid distance formula. We are going to find the calculate the distance between the two classes, or distance between the two points already given the input data sets or the training data sets. We have calculate the distance for that. So that we have used the Euclid distance formula. The Euclid distance formula is nothing but the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After we are calculating the two different data sets, and we will get some the value for that problems. So that is our step 2. Step 3, we will arrange the our classes according to our numbers or categories. So for the second problems we have seen the number category. For first problem we have calculated the numbers. Also from that we have categorized they are belongs to which colors they are. From the second problems we have seen they are belongs to which sports. From the majority we are predicting our the classifications. So for the under the supervised learning process, we have taken the classification process method models are used. From the first problem we are chooses the majority value of is given that 10 15. From that we have choose to the majority colors, because the one blue we got and two red colors we got. From that we are choose to the red colors. The red is the majority, so that we have chosen they are belongs to the red category. So in the second sum, this is different because the category of from the classes they are segregated as three segregations, and that one they have considered x2 value as female and male. For the male we have chosen the value as 0, and the female we consider assume the value as 1. From that we have calculated the value of the y2 minus y1. The y1 value is we have assumed the x value of 1 and 0. This is denoted the for male we have given the value as 0, and for the female we assume the value as 0. From that we have calculated our y2 value and y1 values. So many of the members are used to get confused to how they are given that male and female male and female alone, how we are going to calculate. So you are going to assume some value for the given data. It is easily to predict our classifications. So that I have chosen that y2 minus y1 as our male and female. The value is 1 and 0 is our next data sets. From this second problems we have got the majority of the cricket sport. The sports is the cricket. The cricketers the majority, so that I have taken prediction classes. Angelina is belongs to the cricket, so that we can easily calculate our classifications is under the supervised learning process. We can easily predict. So this is our the KNN algorithm process. This is very easy to get the mark also. Next we are going to see the topic is distance vector routing algorithm. Distance vector routing distance vector routing algorithm. The distance vector routing algorithm is otherwise called as dynamic routing. In the distance vector routing algorithm, we are going to find the distance between the nodes, which is the best path from this node. We have already, for examples, here I have taken the 4 nodes. They have communicated with other node also, A, B. So here we have taken as A, B, C, D 4 nodes. Here for the A, we have communicate the path with A to B and A to D and A to C. The three paths are we have chosen. From the three paths, we are going to calculate which is the best path and the least distance. We are going to calculate the least distance. In the given data sets, we are going to calculate the which is the least distance to communicated with the same data sets. For the least distance, we are going to find the least distance with the help of the routing table. Here I have taken the 4 vectors. For the 4 vectors, so I will take the 4 routing tables. So A, B, C and D. So for each one, so the routing table is consists of 3 category. First one is the destination. The destination is nothing but where the data sets is reached out. That is called as our destinations of data. Now the distance of the A to B I am given as 2 and B to D is 6 and D to C is 8 and A to C is 10 and A to D is 12. So this is the value or I am given for examples I am given this is. For the routing tables, we have the 3 categories. The first one is the destination. Second one is what is the distance for the distance between the vector. And the third one is what will be the next startup. So these are the routing table categories. For the 4 vectors, we have the 3 steps of routing table for A, B and C, and for C also I have divided into 3 for D 3 category. So the vectors are for the A is A, B, C, D. At the least or best path. Best path we are going to find or least distance we are going to find from the given vectors. From this, for the A is A, B, C, D, 4 vectors I have chosen. For the routing table, for the 4 vectors, I have separately taken the 4 paths for A, B, C, D. From the A to A, the value will be the A to A is 0. Next one, the A to B to A value will be the 2 and A to C, the value will be 10 and A to D, the value will be the 12. And we will be third step we are going to check what is the next. So here A to 0, the next will be the here we will be the right A, B, C, D. So for each routing tables we are going to write the 4 vectors details and the distance between them and what will be the next of the data sets. Thank you. So now we are going to see the examples for the distance vector routing algorithm. For this we have taken the 4 vectors, nothing but A, B, C, D, and next we are this is the distance between the traveling time of A to B, B to C, and A to D and D to C. The distance time is A to B is 12, B to C is is 1, A to C the travel time was A to C was 9, A to D the travel time was 4 distance and D to C the travel time was 2. D to C was 2. With the help of this distance we are going to calculate the which are the best path or the bus path to travel or least cost distance. For this vector we are going to write routing table we have the four vectors. So that we are going to write the four routing tables. Vector A and vector B, vector C. For that we are going to write the routing tables. The first one is our destination. Second one is distance. Third one is next. So for A we are going to calculate the vector distance, which is the best part. First, as A is travel move over the A mode is 0 and A is 0. A to B the distance is denoted as 12 and A to C is 9 and A to D is 4. So the next will be the A, B, C and D. So for B, the same destination, distance and the next OT. Here also we will write A, B, C, D is our vector and this is for B, so that we are going to write the A to B, the distance travel time was 12 and B to B itself the value will be the distance will be the 0 and B to C the value will be 1 and next one is B to D, there is no direct traveling or there is no communications between direct to the B to D. So we are going to mark as this infinity and the next will be the, we don't know what they are the next distance denoted, so others will be the A, B, C. So and next we are going to write the routing table for the C vectors. For C also we are going to convert as 3 tables. A, B, C and D. So the A to C the distance will be the 9. Next it is A and B to C the travel time will be the 1 and C itself will be the 0 and C to D is value will be the 2. So for D, this is our step 1. For D also we are going to write A, B, C and D. This will be our destination. This will be our distance. This will be our next route. Next for D itself will be the value will be the D to A. D to A the distance will be the 4 and B to D there is no direct communication, so it's we are going to give the value as 0 and D to C that will be the distance will be the 2. D to D itself it will be denoted as 0. So here the direction we will write as infinity. So the value will be the next will be A to C 0. So and after that the second step we are going to calculate the neighbor distance which are communicated for the same vectors. So that we are going to find our distance. we are going to replace the value for this infinity. For the b to b we are having some infinity and the next we don't know, and for d also we have some infinity value, so that we are going to replace our value. Again we are going to find the value with the help of the neighbor. So here also we take same. A to A the value will be the 0, and A to B. So we have to calculate A to B. The value will be the A to B. The value will be the 12, and here we are going to see the communication of this is the distance here. B A to B is equal to, the value will be the 12, and the other route to reach the for A is A to D. The D is A to C, 9 plus 2 A to C. The value will be the 9, and A D 9 plus 2 plus 4. The value will be the 15, and the next another possible is first is A to B, the direct, next A C D. So the for the bus where the value is 0. So next for B and C, so we are going to calculate the same. A here 7. So we have denoted here A to A the value is 0, so the next will be the A, and next A to B. So we are going to calculate the distance, whatever the possible traveling the time. A to B we can directly write this will be the 12, and here 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 9. This is the way also it's possible. So we can possible that A, B, C, D, the value will be the 12, 13, 15, the value will be the 19. So next the way is, here how we can come A, this one, A to C, C to B. So the value will be the 10. So the next value we will be this one, A to D, D to C, and C to B. 4 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 7. So what are the values we have? The 3 values. From this we are going to take the minimum value, so that the B traveling path is possible for those 3 ways. So that the minimum values I have taken as shortest time period is A to D and D to C and C to B. So that will be the minimum path distance. So I have got, so that I have chosen the value 7. So next one for C we are going to the write the possible ways. How we can reach C? A to B and B to C. This is one possible way. A to B, B to C is one possible way. Next way A to D, D to C. That is one possible way. Then directly A to C is one possible way. So we are going to calculate. This is our shortest distance. A to D the value will be the, A to D is the value will be the 4. Next D to C is 2. So A to C the value will be the 6. Another for this 12 plus 1 is 13. That is the A to B plus B to C. So the value will be 12 plus 1 is 13. Another way is A to C is 9. So the minimum value is A to D, D to C is the minimum value. So the shortest minimum value is 6 I have given. So next one is D. The D, how we can, the A to D is the 4. Otherwise A to B, B to C, C to D. So the value is 12, 14, 15. So it is the value is 15. And A, C, D, this will be the value will be the 9, 13. This is also 15. The shortest distance is A to D will be the 4. So that here I have written as 4. This is like this. We are going to write the for other 3 vectors also. Then we can also get the value for this B. Already for this B or B only we are trying to take the second step. So here also we will get some value, and for the D also we will get some values. So here we will get 12, 0. Here we will get 7, 0, 1, 3, D, C, B, C, C. Here A, B, C and D. 6, 1, 0, 2. D, B, C and D. And here we will get our value as 3, 2 and 0. D, C, C, D. Okay. Here we have replaced the value for B. The distance of B already we have written as infinity value. So here I got the value as 0, and here also we have given some infinity value for some distance. So here also I replaced with some value. So this is our distance vector routing algorithm. From this we can easily able to find the best path to travel with the given vectors. Thank you.